Okay, so how are you guys? Today we're going to Maqams passage, research for reading passage 77 raqamimiz dreams. Dreams nima edi? Dreams. Tushlar. Hop. Today we're going to break it down this passage. Qo'llab tursanglar bo'ldi. Okay. Bu eng qiyinlari bu exercise. Bu uncha qiyin emas, o'rgan kamroq uncha nima emas. Exercise qiyin. Ko'proq. Lekin eng keraklisi ham shu. Hop. Ovozim bir eshitilyapti shekilli. Birinchi tarjima qilamiz. So'zlarni maydalab tarjima qilishga harakat qilamiz, ma'nosini chiqaramiz. Keyin esa mashqlarni ishlaymiz. Okay, let's go. Up. Dreams. Now and again I have had horrible dreams, but not enough of them to make me lose my delight in dreams. Birinchi nimada ovoz chiqarib aytaman. Butun matnni pronunciationga ham foydali. Okay. Now and again I have had horrible dreams, but not enough of them to make me lose my delight in dreams. I like the idea of dreaming, of going to bed and lying still, and then by some queer magic wandering into another kind of existence. As a child I could never understand why grown-ups took dreaming so calmly when they could make such a fuss about any holiday. I am mystified. I am mystified by people who say they never dream and appear to have no interest in the subject. It is much more astonishing than if they said they never went out for a walk. Most people do not seem to accept dreaming as part of their lives. They appear to see it was an irritating habit. I have never understood this. Hozir stop. Mana shu ketdi. Okay. Ancha bilmagan so'zlarimiz ham bor. Pronunciation jihatdan. Hop. Now and again I have had horrible dreams, but not enough of them to make me lose my delight in dreams. Hozir va yana I've had horrible dreams. Menda horrible, yomon tushlar bor edi. Lekin not enough of them to make me lose my delight in dreams. Yetarli emas. Meni tushlarimda delight'imni yo'qotishga yetarli emas. Tushlarda my delight. Hop, delight. Mana berdim. Delight. Feeling a great pleasure. Joy. Rohat. A feeling of pure delight. Let's call it with delight. A feeling of great pleasure. Rohat. That gives you great pleasure. Not enough of them to make me lose my delight in dreams. Demak, menda nima bor ekan? Yomon tushlar bor ekan, lekin bu yetarli emas. Meni tushlarda rohatlanishimga, ya'ni orzularni ko'rib qolishim mumkin. Shu yetarli emas ekan. Bu nima deyish mumkin? Horrible dreams. Yomon tushlar bor ekan, lekin ichida yaxshilari ham bor ekan demoqchi shekilli. Okay. I like the idea of dreaming. Menga tush ko'rish fikri yoqadi. Of going to bed and lying still and then by some pure magic wandering into another kind of existence. O'ringa yotish va yolg'on gapirish va keyin yolg'on. By some pure magic, surprising, funny. Va yolg'on. Buni tushunmadikmi? Yoramiz, Ctrl+ga qilamiz. Qayerga qo'yamiz? ChatGPT bor. A bit poetic, so let's make it simple. I like the idea of dreaming of going to bed and lying still and then some pure magic. I like the feeling of falling asleep and dreaming. Tush ko'rish va uxlash yoqar ekan. As if something magical happens. If something magical happens. Chunki agar something magical happens. Others. Magical happens. Okay. Menga uxlash va tush ko'rish yoqar ekan. Bir mo'jizaviy narsa sodir bo'lgani kabi. Wandering into another kind of existence. Hayratlanish boshqa masalan boshqa existence. Boshqa yerda, boshqa joydan hayratlanish ham. Ya'ni tushda boshqa tasavvurimizdagi olamda bo'lamiz. Shundan darak tuyapti. As a child, yosh bola uchun I could never understand why grown-ups took dreaming so calmly when they could make such a fuss about any holiday. Men tushuna olmayman. I could never understand why grown-up adult. Grown-ups. Nimaga kattalar take dreaming tush ko'rishadi so calmly when they could make such a fuss. Shu fussda ko'rishimiz kerak. Bu aytilishi ham bir boshqacha ekan. Fuss. Unnecessary excitement. Bother yoki activity. I hate all that fuss. Bother. You like a quiet wedding without any fuss. Ne? Bilmagan. Bother yoki activity. Okay. Tushunolmas ekan. Nimaga adablar, kattalar tush ko'radi? So calmly. Tinch tush ko'rar ekan. Fuss about any holiday. Va qanaqadir unnecessary excitement yarata oladi. Qanaqadir bayramda. Interesting. What? I am mystified. Possibly, yeah. Make it fast manner. To be anxious. O'lmoq, xavotir olmoq. Get worried. What in a holiday? I am mystified. Mystified. To make somebody confused because they do not understand something. Kimnidir confuse. Adashtirmoq. I am. Men aralash. Adashtirilganman by people who say they never dream and appear to have no interest in the subject. Adashtirilaman odamlardan, ular tomonidan. Ya'ni odamlar ular hech qachon tush ko'rmaydi and appear to have biror bir subjektga, biror bir ishga umuman qiziqish yo'qdek ko'rinadi. Biror bir ishga qiziqish yo'qdek va ular hech qachon tush ko'rmaydigan odamlar tomonidan men confuse qilaman. Adashtirilaman. Nimaga adashtirildim? It's much more amazing. It's much more amazing than if they said they never went out for a walk. Bu qiziqarli, amazing. Bu ajoyib. Bundan ko'ra, agar ular hech qachon for a walk aylanishga bormaganman ishdan ko'ra bu amazing. Most people do not seem to accept dreaming as part of their lives. Tushdim, ko'p insonlar bir qism deb hisoblamas ekan, qabul qilmas ekan. They appear to see it as an irritating habit. Ular buni irritating habit deb ko'rishar ekan. Ya'ni yoqimsiz odat, jahlni chiqaradigan odat deb ko'rishar ekan. I have never understood this. Men buni hech qachon tushuna olmayman. Demak, u tush ko'rishni yaxshi ko'rar ekan. Even I have had horrible dreams. Interesting ekan. Tushlar haqida ekan. Ko'p odamlar buni irritating habit, ya'ni yoqimsiz, annoying habit bilar ekan. Odat bilar ekan va ular hayotini bir qismi tushunmas ekan, hayotini bir qismi deb o'ylashmas ekan. Keyin kattalar calmly dream qilishar ekan, take a dream. To take something lightly, calmly bo'lish kerak. To lose delight. To make me lose my delight in dreams. To lose delight in, not to enjoy anymore. Bu meni dreamda rohatlanmasligim yetarli emas. Men rohatlanaman deyapti. I like the idea of dreaming, but lines then by some pure magic. That's good. Biz nimalarni o'rgandik? Fuss. Make a fuss. Anxious, get worried. Unnecessarily meni bo'lmas fast unnecessary excitement to worry or activity. Xavotir. Fast. To be mystified. Bu mana fast. Mystify.
Mystify.
Mystify. To make something confused. Adashtirmoq. Bularni albatta qo'llacha harakat qilamiz. Hop, endi eng qiyiniga o'tamiz. Nima qilsak ham bo'laveradi. Reading comprehension to the writer's surprise. Writerning hayratlanishiga got very nervous during holidays. They got very nervous. Surprise degan holati got very nervous during holidays. Juda ham asabiylashgan bo'lgan. Were not able to understand this dream. Grown-ups were not so excited about dreams. bo'lishi mumkin. They're interested in hearing about his dreams. Wished they could see more dreams. I could never understood. Javob bu yerda C. Most people that the writer knows are bored by these dreams. Do not enjoy their dreams. Find the dream irritating. Mana. To'g'ri javob. Do not enjoy their dreams. Most people, as part of their life, they appear to see irritating habit. Most people find his dreams irritating. The writer considers dreaming a part of one's life and a meaningless activity and unusual habit. Bo'sh ketadi. Sech ketadi. Meaningless activity. The most nonsense. Unusual habit. An unusual habit mean a part of one's life. Bizning bir qismimiz. Unusual habit. Yo'q, ular irritating habit deb bilishadi. Xo'p, endi exerciselarga o'tamiz. Complete the sentences with a suitable form of the words defined above. Yuqorida ham qilgandik. Here the sun, quyosh. If you stand all day, will just circle the sky around you. Ikkita belgi qo'yib qo'yganidan bu nima demak will sanga tegishli. Quyosh aylanar ekan osmonda. Siz atrofida aylanar ekan. Hop. Still hali ham. Mana javob bo'ladi. O'shanlarga qaranglar. Inspire bilan maxsus. Half hours we would in the marketplace and streets and shops of Bishop Auckland and talk with the people. Inspire. Olyapti. Inspire. Half yarim soat bo'sh vaqt davomida bo'sh vaqtda he would in the marketplace and streets and shops of Bishop and talk with people. U nima qiladi? Marketplace'da va ko'chalarda va do'konlarda va odamlarga birchadi. To wander? Really? Wander. Yurmoq ekan.
Hozir har bitta kirganingda umid qilaman ovqat tayyor ketdik deb aytadi.
Okey, nima qildik? Yarim soat bo'sh vaqt bo'lganda u nima qiladi? Sayr qilar ekan, wander. Making a wander olamiz. Qara. Wander. But wander would kelyapti va bir olamiz. I about being first in the queue going down to the car decks. Navbat kamayapti. Men navbatda birinchi bo'lishni yomon ko'raman. Yo'qmi? Ayam. The car decks. Car. Terminal refers to a dedicated level on a ferry or marine facilities for parking vehicles. Monocardic. Oh. Men yo'q. Bizga nima kerak? Bizga fel kerak. Ketgan bu. I lose the light. I not to enjoy anymore. Navbatda birinchi bo'lishda muhim deb o'ylamayman. Muhim o'ylamayman. Bilmaman. Q navbatda. Go down. Choyni olib choy. Choy qo'yib berdim, choy qaynab ketdi. Mumkin no'g'rildim-da. Okay, let's move on. Go down, go down. If the price of gold kamaymoq. We're going down to the card. Navbatda birinchi bo'lishda going down to the car parking, yeah. Being for some bu yerga to take something lightly. To lose the light in. To lose the light about being. What then? Meni fikrim bu. Bu to'g'rini bilmadim. Ularga qaraganim yo'q. Lose the light about. Nimaga buni oldim? Men orta yo'qmi edi? Navbatda birinchi bo'lish. The car parking going down. Well, if she will disappear. Birinchi bo'lish orqa yo'qmi deyapti navbatda. Shu ma'noda. To take something lightly bo'lish uchun something nima qo'yish ammo uchun otishim to make a fun. Xotirlanaman birinchi bo'lishdan. Navbatda bo'lishdan xotirlanaman. To be mystified. To make a fuss. Okay, to lose the light. Navbat kamayishdan make a fuss. Since the dawning of history, people have been fascinated, intoxicated and by the powers of aromatic plants. Odamlar fascinated, jalb qilingan astonished. Astonished. Aromatli o'simlik hididan odamlar jalb fascinate qilingan, o'ziga tortgan. Intoxicate bilmadim. Va astonished jalb qilingan. Yeah, cure and cured. Cured. You may also have a dry cough, a sore throat, and a runny, itchy nose. Or it. Itchy. Itchy.
Itchy.
Itchy. Sizda nima bo'lishi mumkin? Quruq, yomon cough yo'tal. Jahl chiqadigan xil bo'lmaydi. Horrible bo'lishi mumkin. Horrible. Hammasi bo'ldimi? Hop, endi javoblarga o'tamiz. Bu 70 Tikka qo'ytiramiz. 73 Prince Drake, ya'ni still ekan. Hop, mayli, bu true. Bu to'g'ri ekan bir. True 2, wonder, true 3. Nega fast? True qaraganim yo'q. Mana 4 xato ekan. 5 irritating. Really? To'g'ri, B, O, 2 xato qilibmiz, 3. To'rt 5 xato bo'lyapti. 4-5 xato, bog'dan 2. Bularni qanday qilamiz? Yellow. Pink qilaylik. 2, 4 5. Nimaga 4? Accurate emas. Bu yerda misfired. Birinchi bo'lib keyword degan so'z bor. because somebody's plans fail or destroy their chance. G'alati. Boshim o'tgan. Köy yaşamaz ekan. Intoxicated.
Intoxicated.
Under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Doğru çoğundan keyin alkol ichmayman bo'ladi bu demak kayfda. Mast. Chaqaloqlarga mast bo'larkan odamlar va mystified. Interesting. Baybal. Confused yana u jinni qilib qo'yar ekan degan. Keyword bilan erkamas ekan. Ya'ni keyword degan so'z yo'q ekan. Be mystified. Nimaga besh irritating bo'lmaydi tursam irritating chiqib qolyapti-ku. You may also have a dry, horrible, much irritating cough. Are you kidding me? Name kelyapti. This is annoying. Irritating. Bezovta qiladigan ekan. Also have a dry. Itchy nose. You can describe them like symptoms, visual, critical, annoying, or emotional and informal. Horrible and informal ekan. Horrible informalligi uchun javob irritating. Bezovta qiladigan. Ilmiy jihatdan irritating ekan. Endi ikkini ko'ramiz. Most people. Bunga qarab aytdim men. Ular irritating habit tushunadi. Tushundim. Bunaqa tushundim. Lekin mana bu yerda tushunmayman deyapti. Adultlar so common when they could make such a fuss about any holidays. Aytdi. Most people that with the virgin knows. Most people degan. Javob bergan. Bitta shotgina bor. Aytyapmiz. Ovoz bor menimcha. Bir. Ovoz past. Endi. Hop, endi biz nima qilayotdik? Nima chaladigan narsaga. Uni tushlarini irritating bilar ekan. Yo'q, o'zlarinikini biladi. O'zlariniki irritating, xalaqit beradigan tushni biladi. Bu Rayherdagina emas. Shuning uchun xato bo'lyapti. Derkan xato bu. Xato bu aytilgan yo'q. Bitta javob qilyapti, shu javob to'g'ri ekan. Come on.
Ba'zi boshqalar javob qo'ymagan nima?
Mayli. Hop. Endi menimcha that's all. Like, mayli.